if you want to add guidelines to your YouTube videos command by using your iPhone, first open any browser. It may be Safari, Chrome or Firefox, whatever. For now I just open Safari and just open a new tab and click Google, and here just type studio.youtube.com, just like that. Then long press over this first link and click open in new tab. Now just open the new tab. This is the new tab, and you need to click continue to studio. Okay, now just zoom like this and click this profile, and if you want to change the YouTube channel, click switch account and change the YouTube channel. And if you doesn't sign in, click sign in and enter your Gmail address and password. Then you will see this page. Now what you have to do means zoom on the bottom, then you can see the settings like icon. Click that. Now click community moderation, and here you can see channel guidelines. Click that. Yeah, here you can see that options. Here it shows experimental because only monetized channel will get this feature. Here you just need to type the welcome message for your users like, hi guys, welcome to your channel, comment section or community, like that stuff. And you can add the guidelines up to 3. This is first one. You can add your guidelines, your point out like this. Manually you can add like this, or if you want to use default, here you can see no self promotion, like that stuff. Just tap the guideline, and if you want to add another guideline, click add guideline. And if you want to select the default, just click stick to topic, like that stuff. And if you tap save, that's it, it's done. Your guidelines will be activated. So this is how it works, and if you want to know more videos about YouTube, watch this video.